Now you will write all these here, and we start with this next one. Use the suffix less or meant to form new words. Write the meaning of the new words. Here, effort less. And less. Arrangement. Encouragement. Recruitment. Management. Hopeless. Worthless. So here you have added the suffix form to the. Now come the complete the following table. Here the base form is given. This is the third person singular form. Then comes the present participle, simple past and past participle. You have to write the forms. So here view, views, third person singular views, participle, present participle ing लग जाएगा, simple past and past participle ed लगेगा. Likewise we will finish this. Command, commands. Record, records. Follow, follows. Comprise, comprises. Develop, develops. Here the third person singular form. Then we come to the present participle, commanding. ing लग जाएगा, recording. Following. Comprising. Developing. Now here ed लग जाएगा, recorded, followed, comprised, developed. Again the same will come, recorded, followed, comprised, developed. Here following are the notes of a news reporter who wants to write a report on Miss Universe 2000 Lara Datta. It's Lara Datta. Using the notes, complete the paragraph. Do not add any extra information. आपको ये notes दिए हैं एक रिपोर्टर ने, and इससे आपको एक रिपोर्ट लिखनी है लारा दत्ता पे. He was our former Miss Universe. So now, Lara Datta, 21 years of age, hails from Mumbai. Hails means मुंबई से है. कहाँ से belong करती है? Hails वो होता है. Has done master's degree in communication. Conferred with the title Glad Rags Supermodel in 1995. Wants to represent India in the international scene. Active in AIDS awareness campaign. ये आपको नोट्स दिए हैं. हमने इससे एक छोटा सा रिपोर्ट बनाना है using these notes. Yes, try yourself. खुद भी ट्राई करना चाहिए बच्चे आपको. Lara Datta Miss Universe 2000 is 21 years old, full stop, या comma. She hails from Mumbai, full stop. No, but they have extended it. And possesses a master's degree in communication. मास्टर्स डिग्री मीन्स MA. ओके, MA को बोलते हैं मास्टर्स डिग्री. शी वॉज ऑल्सो conferred means उसको ये मिला हुआ है अवार्ड, ये भी मिला हुआ है with the title of Glad Rags Supermodel in 1995. She was conferred with the title of Glad Rags Supermodel in 1995. She wants to be in the international scene. She wants to be in the international scene means वो internationally famous रहना चाहती है. She wants to represent India. She wants to be a representative. आएगा. She wants to be the representative. She wants to be a representative of India in the international scene. And she is quite active in AIDS awareness campaign. Is active in She is active in campaigning She actively campaigns spreading awareness regarding AIDS. Okay, this is actively. Clear? So you finish your question answers as well as write your question answers in rough. So in next lecture we can discuss it and you can write it down in the fair notebooks then.